All right, so I got the Char Grill Legacy fired up with some of that good charcoal company premium lump, and I got a few things here. We're gonna go ahead and knock out these three strips, and you see one of them I got with the Meat Stick X. This one right here is seasoned with Island Boy Spices Rock Roast Rub. The one with the Meat Stick X in there, that is seasoned with Bobby Brown's Boston Blend. And then this last one right there, that's seasoned with Famous Dave's Steak and Burger Season. Original Famous Dave blend, and it says this is the mild, so it must be some hot ones out there. So we got those right there. We got the Legacy fired up. I got the Meat Stick app ready. So we're gonna throw that one right there. That's the Bobby Brown Island Boy Spices. And then the Famous Dave. I'm gonna put that way because I want to sprinkle a little bit more seasoning on this one. It came off on my fork. So we just do that. Nice little even coat, but we want to get a nice crust on the steaks. And to those, like I said, we're doing a little collab with myself. Since the collaborations is popular right now on the cooking, I'm doing one with myself. I'm busting out a grocery store adventure and a Meat Stick X cook. And with the little adventure here, Snake River Farms American Wagyu Beef Gourmet Frankfurters. It says they're fully cooked, so you know what I mean. We're just gonna crisp them up, get some color on them, and enjoy them until the steaks are done. But we got these from one of the Asian markets out here in San Diego, H Mart. So these should be very interesting. American Wagyu is good. I have had it. I had the belly, the beef belly, which is astronomically amazing. So I'm gonna spread some of these coals out, and then we're gonna let it do its thing. So we're about 30 minutes into the cook, and things is looking good. I moved these hot dogs over here, scooted the coals over. We just wanted to get some, some heat on these bad boys because they're fully cooked. So those are coming along fine. I got that one right there. Excuse my arm. And so we're just babysitting, sitting at about 120 on the steak on this one. I'll probably get my quick temp to check this bad boy. And the other one that doesn't have the probe in there. We got some good color. Flip that over. Okay. All right. So we just gonna continue to let these bad boys roll, and then when the app say it's done to pull, then we pull it. All right. Back in a bit. So a quick little recap. This steak right here that had the Meat Stick X probe in there, that was seasoned with Bobby Brown Foods Boston Blend, gluten-free. This middle one right here, seasoned with Island Boy Spices Rock Roast Rub. Yeah, this right here is amazing. And then this one right here is seasoned with this Famous Dave seasoning, steak and burger. I tasted it, and I ain't gonna lie, it's a little salty, so it's gonna be interesting to see how it tastes when I slice this steak up. All right, we're letting them rest. I'm gonna take them in the house, slice them up, and I'll be back with a sample of each piece of steak and some of these frankfurters. Wagyu, baby. Back in a minute. I had audio issues and a lot of background noise. Each steak was amazing, and the famous Dave season balanced out with the steak. Wagyu frankfurters speak for themselves, but the casing was a little thick, and I pulled some of it off like a child. And the meat stick kept me on point with my internal tip. Click the link in the description for a 10% discount, or you might find other deals on the meat stick combos.